I was a father at 14. My wife and I met when I was 11, and we had my first son there, and I had all my children by the time I was 17. So we were very young parents, and I didn't know how to communicate with my wife or my children. Parenthood and being a father was all very, very new to me. I was very proud. I was very young, um, and I felt that I could deal with it there. But I saw that my behaviour and my acting out was um, affecting all the people that I loved the very most. I knew that what I was doing was wrong, but I didn't know how to access help, and I decided that it was me. It wasn't my wife. It wasn't my children. It was me, and that if I wanted to fix it, then I was the one that was causing the trouble, and I was the one that needed to go and reach out for help. I learned that um, I had to be more patient, more understanding, and that parenting is more than the wife's role. We had traditional roles where my wife would stay home with the children, and I would go to work. And as a young dad, I thought that was my only obligation to being a father. But I've learned that parenting is a dual responsibility, but most of all, talk to each other, and tell them that you're worried, tell them that you're scared, tell them that you love them, and tell them that you're going for help, and then go and do it.